During a lesson, teachers often want to gain insight into student thinking so they can build upon their ideas. Shout It Out allows students to share prior knowledge, connections, opinions, and ideas from their devices synchronously across all learning environments. For this example, I'm going to show you how to add a Shout It Out activity to see how students feel about a math concept. Once you select the Shout It Out activity, you will have the option to choose randomized or categories. For this example, I'm going to add 2 categories. I've got this and I have questions. This way, the teacher can also see how the students feel about their work. Because I want to make sure students feel comfortable sharing, I will turn names off. Knowing as a teacher, I can go back in later and see who is responsible for each contribution. For this activity, I would like students to respond using text, so I select the radio button next to text. Since I want students to share a single solution in this activity, I will keep the number of submissions to 1 per student. Finally, I want to add the question at the top of the activity, so I enter it here. When everything looks good, I select Next. Now I have the option to keep the classic look, or I can upload my own custom images. Today I want custom images, so I select the custom option and then Next. I want to browse for images, so I click in the box and now I have the option to conduct a Bing safe search. In the first box, I want an image that represents being confident. I search for the image and select the image I want to use. Then I select OK and then Save. Next, I do the same thing on the other side for students who have questions. Now, as you can see, I have both images for the activity. I select Finish, and now the activity is ready to go. Students can connect with their devices and share their response during the lesson. The Shout It Out activity is a great way to capture student voice at any point in a lesson and allows even the quieter students to be active participants.